Welcome to Tiny Hands Art.
Yay!
Hey little artists! Today we're drawing a super fun and juicy fruit. Can you guess what it is? That's right, it's a pineapple. So grab your marker and let's get started. Then I draw the shape of a pineapple. Now I draw the crown of the pineapple.
Amazing!
Lastly, I draw some curved lines on the skin to show the texture and all the shells. Wow, our drawing is complete! Now, let's add some colors. Let's get started. First, I take an orange color. I use orange for all the skin. Now for the crown, I use light green, because the crown is green. Then I add a deep green shade to make it more vibrant. Wow, now everything is complete. Lastly, I go over the drawing to make it clean and highlighted. Great job! If you had fun drawing with me, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up.
Okay.
And hit that subscribe button so you never miss more fun drawings on Tiny Hands Art. See you next time, bye bye!